According to Mark Gurman, Apple will be coming out with a new AirPods 4 series tomorrow. This will include a higher end version of the AirPods 4 and also a lower end version of the AirPods 4. So if you really want your hands on the current AirPods 2 or the AirPods 3, I will go ahead and get it right now because Apple is expected to discontinue the AirPods 2 and the AirPods 3. So the higher end version of the AirPods 4 is expected to have a design that's mixed between the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro 2. So the design should be pretty similar, except it won't have those replaceable silicone tips, and also it won't have all those pro features that the AirPods Pro comes with. The high-end version of the AirPods 4 is expected to have noise cancellation and possibly transparency mode, but the lower end version won't have any of these features. I believe the higher end version will more than likely be called just the AirPods 4, while the lower end version will be called the AirPods 4 SE or the AirPods 4 Lite. So both versions of the AirPods 4 is expected to have a case with USB Type-C port on it, and the higher end version of the AirPods 4 is expected to have a speaker built inside the case, which will help you to find your AirPods in Find My. As for the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Max, it doesn't seem like Apple will be coming out with a new version this year. It is reported that Apple is currently working on those new versions of the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Max, so I'll be expecting to see them sometime in 2025. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you expecting to see on the AirPods 4, and also what are you most excited about on the AirPods 4. Give this video a like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be getting the AirPods 4 whenever it comes out, so there will be a bunch of videos on the AirPods 4. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.